Hello everybody, today's 20 for 20. I want to show you 4 extensions that I think are just kind of interesting. They're not really necessarily for education or teachers, they're for anyone, but I think they'll be helpful and, just kind of a quality of life increase or, while you're being on the computer a lot, making things a little easier for you. So the first one I want to show you, it's called Tab Scissors. So you're going to look for the extension Tab Scissors. And then you'll add it to Chrome. And I'll show you what it shows up just like this. There's little scissors up here. And basically what happens is, like, let's say I'm in Skyward and I want to split my screen. I'll hit split, click the little extension, and you'll see what it did was it took the remaining tabs and made them their own grouping over here. And now I have this one. I can just kind of drag it and make my split screen. So that's kind of cool. And then when I'm done with that, I can hit my next one, which is Tab Glue, which is an extension that does the opposite. So I've got my things separated here. I'm just going to find my Tab Glue, which is hiding because I have it all shrunk up there. But there's my little glue symbol. I hit Tab Glue, and all my tabs have rejoined into one group here. So Skyward, which I had tab scissored off, and then I can use Tab Glue to glue it back up. So hit glue, and they all go right back together. There's Skyward. Of course, I can drag that anywhere I want, put it back in the order I want, whatever. All right, so Tab Scissors, Tab Glue. Pretty simple, but can be kind of helpful. The next one I want to show you is Web Paint. It's pretty cool. I'll show you what it can do here. I'll just open up my little Google Glass here. This is what it looks like when it joins your extension. Okay, looks like a little palette. So you click that, and this toolbar opens up, and you can write on anything you'd like. You can create shapes on a website, web page, document, anything that opens in Chrome. There are some web pages that they won't allow you to do this. I've encountered a few, but for the most part, it works just fine. I've got a stylus in my hand that I bought off Amazon for just a few bucks. It's a really cheap rubber tip one. There are much nicer ones, but I still got it set to square. If I click the little pin feature, I can write on here with my stylus, and I can change the transparency, the color. I can make it a bigger writing, all kinds of stuff, right? I can fill in colored into the shape. I can even do the whole thing. I can undo. I can erase everything, and I can close it. So I think this is really pretty cool. Once again, that's Web Paint, and that's just an extension right here. So you can be presenting to your students. You could be recording on screencast. You can edit, annotate, circle, highlight, just websites or whatever, anything that you open in Chrome for the most part. So pretty cool. And then the last one here is called One-Click Full Page Screenshot. It's kind of a mouthful. And it just makes like this camera image. I'll go back here. And I'll just take this picture. Takes a picture of my whole screen. And once again, you can kind of manipulate it. You can crop it. You can flip it. Make it upside down, side to side, whatever. You can rotate the image. You can draw on the image. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can put shapes on it, icons. You can put text on it. Move that text around. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. You can put a mask on it if you have an image you have saved. So there's I've never done the filter before, but it's kind of cool. So there's all kinds of things you can do on an image you take. Or you could just take a full screenshot and do nothing to it, but put it on a slide or something like that. I also encourage everyone to get familiar with their snipping tool, which is just right on their computer. You can always find it. It's just a Windows snipping tool. Then I pin it to my taskbar. It lets you do a lot of the same thing. But this is the one-click screenshot, which is a extension that you can get. So there's 4 extensions that I hope you just find helpful: Tab Scissors, Tab Glue, Web Paint, and one-click full-page screenshot. So I hope you found that helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.